Once you've created a button design, it's a good idea to save it so that you can always load it again later to edit it or print it. And in fact, it's not a bad idea when you're working on a button layout to save along the way just to preserve your work. To save your button design, you'll use the Save to Edit option on the File and Save tab. So here I have a button design I'd like to save, so I'll click the Save to Edit button. I can then enter a name for my design. I'll just call this Toucan button, and then I'll click the Save button. Once my design is processed, you'll see that I can download the file to save it to my computer. I'll go ahead and click the button to download the file. Note that the specific location where that file is downloaded will be based on your browser preferences. Most browsers on Windows enable you to press Ctrl-J on the keyboard to bring up the download folder. On Macintosh, some browsers enable you to press Command plus Shift and the letter J on the keyboard to bring up that download folder. Here I'm using Safari, and so I can click the shortcut for the downloads and then right-click on the download that I'd like to take a look at and choose the option to show in Finder. That will bring up a window in my operating system, in this case showing the desktop folder because that's what I've specified as the download setting in my preferences for my web browser. But this Toucan button text file represents my saved button design. Note that this saved design is specific to Build a Button, so you won't be able to use other software to load or edit this button design, but you can always reload that saved design back into Build a Button.